Hello Gemini, welcome to June and welcome back to my channel, Spirit Source Tarot. Today we're doing a first 2 weeks of June reading. We're going to pull 3 cards, clarify, and then get 3 cards from Spirit. We can clarify further if need be. So Gemini, let's get started with you. And of course I'm going to keep it brief. I know we're all busy, but we're definitely going to get to the point. First card out for you is the 9 of Pentacles. Second card for you is the Queen of Pentacles. Third card for you is the Death card. Something came to an end and now you're single, but you're happily single and taking very good care of yourself. You plan on carrying through with your achievements, with your career achievements, but something definitely came to an end, Gemini. And my readings for you have been, you were on the verge for a long time. That is true. You were on the verge for a long time. What happened? But you're happy about it. You're content. I think you were unhappy before because you were torn, but now you're happy and content and quite single. Clarifying the 9 of Pentacles. It's the Wheel of Fortune. You are happy and content to be that single. You actually feel this good fortune now. I think you were not in your lane before, and knowing that now you can sort of find your lane and maneuver into your lane will, attract that life you're supposed to have to you. Clarifying the Queen of Pentacles, right, is the Lovers. It seems like this, whatever broke up, is bringing in nothing but good things that agree with your spirit. Clarifying the Queen of Pentacles was the Lovers, Gemini, showing right up, taking care of yourself. Clarifying the Death card is the Queen of Swords. Got something to say. Let's see. Let's clarify further. This is freaking awesome. Looks like the lottery to me, but it definitely feels like a split. There's a death of something. Definitely a death of something. Let's clarify this Death card right next to the Queen of Swords, my dear. Clarifying the Death card right next to the Queen of Swords is the King of Cups. Okay, so who was uneven in this relationship? Because this is explaining the relationship to me. Somebody was emotionally, could have been imbalanced. Let me clarify right next to the King of Cups, shall we? You're actually glad to be out of this relationship. Let's see, clarifying the Death card further, right next to the Queen of Swords and the King of Cups, is the Queen of Pentacles again. Yeah, you are truly, truly happy to be free of this relationship. But I wonder why. Like your emotions are content. You're taking care of yourself, or yeah, you're taking care of yourself. The Lovers here clarified the first Queen of Pentacles. Like you're open for better partnerships. And that 9 of Pentacles was clarified by the Wheel of Fortune. Like you feel great. You're balanced and taking care of yourself. And this is what you couldn't do in the relationship, huh? This is what you couldn't do. This is the level of balance you couldn't have. Maybe somebody was a bit erratic. Maybe somebody was unbalanced. So you couldn't reach your internal emotional balance. Maybe somebody was a spendthrift or what have you, and causing you to feel uneasy about your future. Well, now, Gemini, you're going to have an excellent June. I'm losing my son. There we go. I'm going to find a light. All right. Let's see what words of advice Spirit has for you. First card out is the Three of Cups, another celebration. Second card out is the Two of Cups reversed. Take your time. Don't go jumping into relationships or another relationship. Might have moved a tad bit fast in the past. So the reverse Two of Cups is take your time. Right now you're getting the Wheel of Fortune for the Nine of Pentacles, being single, healing, mending, taking care of yourself with the Queen of Pentacles. Spirit is saying don't go rushing into a relationship. Third card out is the Star. Internal work. Don't go getting into another partnership. Enjoy your friends and company and heal whatever, what do they call it? Uncoupling that you have to do. You know? But this is very, very good. It looks like you're going to be happy and content. And I'm glad for you. Thank you for letting me share. And I'll see you later.